Hey, it is Tay Rosé. I'm here with you with another nail craze video. I have the Maybelline 60-60-100 file. I'm just going to be buffing my natural nails. Now, a lot of you have seen this step so many times, but in this video, I will be doing the duck nails, but making it look a little different. Okay. But I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline's Builder nail gel, and I'm going to apply a generous amount on my nail bed, so that way it's nice and thick, one, and then two, it'll make my natural nails healthy. All right. And then of course I cure this for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. Once I'm finished with that, I want to take off the sticky residue, so I use this acetone and I use a cotton round, and I just wipe off the top layer. After I finish wiping off the top layer, I'm going to go in back with my Maybelline 60-60-100 file, and I'm going to slightly buff the top part of my nails, just so that way the dehydrator, the primer, and the nail glue, all of that can best adhere to my nails. So now I'm going back in with the nail hydrator, but not going back in, but I'm going to use the gel nail dehydrator, and I'm going to dehydrate the top layer of my nails. Again, I'm not exaggerating over it too much, because if you are an existing subscriber, you have seen this plenty of times. Now I'm going to go in with the gel and primer, and I'm going to apply that primer over my nail bed that is encoded with the builder gel on top of it. While both things are drying, I'm going to pick out my nail size using the Ova Novo nails, and these are the short or medium duck nails. Now, I remember I bought this originally for my niece. I tried it on her, my oldest niece. I tried it on her. She didn't like it, so we end up taking it off, and so I end up trying it on myself, and it's not bad. I can say that it is kind of difficult to manage, because it's so like spread out, you know, but your girl is going through it. I'm hanging in there. But as you see, what I'm doing right here is I am filing the inside of these nails, because these nails do not come pre-matte or pre-filed. So I take this gold Prana nail bit and I'm filing the inside of these nails, so that way they can best adhere with the nail glue that I'm showing you next. So I'm going to take this gel and nail glue, and as you can see, I am painting right at the buffed area, and then I'm going to do that gel applique method like I've been talking about before, and I'm going to cure each finger for 30 seconds. All right. Right with my pinky, I decided to file the size, because my pinky is very tiny and no nails in this batch can fit around it. So I had to file around the cuticle part of the Gel X nail itself so it can fit. So now that all 10 nails are on, I'm going to be going back in with that Salon Perfect nail file. I'm going to file just the sides of my nails. And I forgot to mention too that after I cure these for 60 seconds, I put it back on the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And so now my nails are all set, and then I think I'm going backwards. So before that, the previous clip, I did file around my nails using this small drill bit for the cuticles, so it doesn't mess up around my nail bed, because I've noticed that when I use the big monster size Prana nail drill bit, like my nails will look like it's grown out within a week, and that's not how your nails should be looking. So I can say that this drill bit, it does work out perfect. Okay, so I would recommend it. I'm gonna see if I can put it in the description box. If not, I apologize ahead of time. So now I'm gonna top my nails with the Beetles top gel coat. I just did top coat because I knew I wanted my natural nails to show through. I didn't want to put any other polish on top of it. I just wanted that natural shade right there. Okay, I want it to be as clear as possible. So I'm just showing you the stones that I am using, and you'll see how I arrange the stones while I am doing this. But I just want to show you the kits that I'm using. So I'm gonna first start off with the silver set, the silver, or not silver, but yeah, the silver set, the silver rhinestones, and I just put those on there first because I feel like you want to start off with those because you don't want too much pink, you don't want too much fuchsia. I mean, you want something neutral. You want a neutral color in there. So that is what I started off with, and so I did like a lot of like the medium size ones on my nails. And then afterwards, and you'll see in the future clips, then I go in with a couple pink, bright, or not bright, but a couple baby pink shades and a couple of the fuchsia shades. And on one side, I just arrange it with my builder nail gel. And then once I like it, then I leave it alone. And then I add the rose on top of right where I would like it. About the roses, that was difficult when it came on to applying with the rhinestone picker upper. At one point, and you will see it in the clip, at one point I had to take my fingers and I had to like kind of clamp it together and then place it on the nail, like right where I wanted it. It was very difficult to work with the stones, or not stones, to work with the 3D rose itself. It was just it was not trying to work for me, but I made it work. I mean, the trick if you want to use a rhinestone picker upper is you have to put a little bit of the builder nail gel on it, and then it'll support the stone on it, and then you can put it on your nails, and then you'll be a-okay. But it was something to say the least. I can't say that overall it was pretty fun doing this nail design. I'm gonna put pictures of the inspirations, the 2 inspirations on the screen, so you'll see where I got it from. Of course, your girl got this idea from Pinterest, but I had to put my own spin on it. That's 1. And then 2, I wanted something for Valentine's Day, but I know by the time this video comes out, Valentine's Day will be over. So I said, okay, this could be spring nails. I know my pastor's wife was saying that this is like wedding nails, so this could be nails for a wedding, and you don't have to do this with a duck nail shape. I at first was not a fan of the shape itself, duck nails, but we have so much of it, and so I'm thinking to myself, like, Tay, you can use these. So that is what I chose to do with it, is just like a bling out French tip. And I thought that it was so cute. I was receiving so many compliments on it. But unfortunately, my thumb, like something mysterious happened. It was just the weirdest thing ever. But my thumb, all the stones came off. And then if I'm looking carefully at all my nails, like you can tell that my nails have been done for over a couple of weeks, because some of the builder gel is kind of cracking up right where the tip is, the French tip is that I created with the stones. So it's kind of cracking up. So it's a sign that I need to do a new set instead of to fill my nails, if you get me. And then also too, with how difficult, I don't want to say difficult, but with the maintenance of the duck nails, some of them, or if not a lot of them, are starting to lift up, and so I can tell that it's lifting up because it's kind of like it's not on there anymore. It's kind of lifting, you know, like when your nails lifting. If you know, you know. So some of my nails are lifting up, so I'm like, okay, I know soon I'm gonna have to do a new set. And plus, so I don't mind doing new sets, just as long as I have the time to sit down and actually do this, like how I'm doing it for y'all. Like, I love filming nail designs, and I like to call it nail crazes. I like to film this for y'all because it is so much fun, and it's been a while since I've done it. The last time I did it was around October, and that was like the all black and sneakers event. So I did both my fingers or hands, and they look so good. But I did not like how it looked. I felt like the French was kind of lifting off my fingers, like either way it was growing out. So I went in with this metal part of the Rhinestone picker upper, and I applied a thin line of the builder nail gel right where the visible line would be for a French tip. So that is what I did, and I did like the smallest, the smallest rhinestones, so that way I can fit it in there and it could look neat. But there you have it. That is my nail design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.